Imagine your production line halting unexpectedly. Unplanned downtime not only disrupts operations but also inflates costs. It's a silent profit killer that businesses often overlook until it's too late. Reactive maintenance is like putting out fires. It often leads to expensive repairs and significant production losses. But what if there was a way to prevent these disruptions before they occur? Proactive maintenance is the hero in disguise, preventing equipment failures before they happen. It shifts the focus from reactive fixes to strategic prevention. Unlike reactive maintenance, proactive strategies identify early warning signs, allowing businesses to act before a breakdown occurs. This shift is why many companies are embracing proactive methods. Preventive maintenance is all about scheduled, systematic care. It ensures that routine servicing is never skipped, maintaining baseline equipment reliability. Predictive maintenance, on the other hand, uses data-driven insights to forecast failures. Together, these methods enhance reliability and reduce unplanned downtime. Proactive maintenance allows for early detection of equipment degradation. By addressing issues early, businesses can prevent minor problems from escalating into major failures. By reducing recurring failures and improving mean time between failures, MTBF, proactive strategies extend asset lifespan and reduce mean time to repair, MTTR. Proactive maintenance aligns with business goals by enhancing operational efficiency. It reduces costs through improved asset utilization and supports long-term growth. By integrating maintenance efforts with business objectives, companies can drive efficiency, boost profitability, and ensure sustainable operations. ManWinWin CMMS supports proactive maintenance with streamlined planning and real-time monitoring. It offers data-driven insights and improved spare parts management. Join the proactive maintenance movement with ManWinWin. By adopting these strategies, you'll enhance reliability, reduce costs, and support your business's long-term objectives.